In this video, we will be discussing about dedicated IP on NordVPN and going to be reviewing. So you can see basically this offers you easily get your own dedicated personal IP that is going to be of course static. You can access IP restricted resources and work remotely from anywhere, avoid IP blocks and enjoy reliable access to online services. So a lot of VPNs do not come with this feature, and this thing is literally big. And by the way, you can get 70% off on NordVPN now using the link in the description below, so make sure to give a try to that, as it is going to be really helping you with the purchase. So why to miss it out? So the dedicated IP of course going to be allowing you to get of course protected as well and control the IP as you want. So it is really flexible. You can get yourself in different regions and do the stuff that you're intended to, or if you need it for work, this is gonna be a really handy thing to use. So that's how easy it is. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you around in the next video.